All right, now for part B. Part B starts off with a little bit of history. The tallest person in recorded history was Robert Pershing Wadlow. At age 22, he was 8 feet 11.1 inches tall, or 272 centimeters. His arm span was 9 feet 5.75 inches, or 289 centimeters. Question 1 asks, where would you plot the point, height, and arm span for Robert Wadlow? Would the point be on, above, or below the line you drew in question A, part 3? So going back up to our scatter plot, once we drew this line on here, this S equals H line, where do you think Robert's point is going to go? Is it going to go up on, above, or below that line that we drew? Number 2, does the data point for Robert Wadlow support the claim that arm span and height are roughly equal? So it's going to be up to you to make that decision. Do you think that data point supports Vitruvius's claim that arm span and height are roughly equal? So you're going to base your answer on where it is in relation to that line. And then part C, the accuracy of fit for a linear model is measured by calculating errors from the model. These errors, called residuals, are the differences between the actual data and what the model predicts. Find the arm span residuals, the actual arm span minus the predicted arm span, using the model S equals H for the CMP class data. So here they put in the data from up above in that table. They have 56 and 54. The model predicts that it was 56 for the arm span. The actual was 54. So they took 54 minus 56 and got -2. The next one, the actual was 57. The predicted was 57, so they got 0. 57 minus 57 is 0. Same thing with 54 minus 57, we get -3. Then in the next one, it'd be 61, the actual minus 58, which is predicted. So I know that 61 minus 58 is a +3. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill in this table with the numbers that you get by subtracting the actual minus the predicted. Again, another one, 56 minus 59. Well, the 56 is the smaller one, so I know I'm going to get a negative number, and then 9 minus 6 is 3, so I get a -3. So fill in that bottom row of the table. Pause the video if you need to. And number 2, it says, if the model is accurate, the residuals will all be close to 0. Use the data in the table to describe the pattern, if any, in the residuals. Then explain why you think the equation S equals H is or is not an accurate model for predicting arm span from height.